In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify email Shopify tutorial. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the lower left corner for the gear icon labeled Settings and click it. This opens the area where you manage all store-wide preferences. From here, choose General. Depending on your admin layout, this section may appear as Store Details, but it serves the same purpose. On the General or Store Details page, locate the Store Email field. Click into Store Email to review it. This address is the one customers use to contact you and where Shopify sends important account notices. Make sure it's an inbox you actively monitor. If you update this address, remember that this change is about contact and account communication. It doesn't control the email that customers see as the sender on order confirmations and other automated messages. We'll set that next. Now, head back to Settings and open Notifications. This is the dedicated area for all your customer notifications, like order confirmations, shipping updates, and password resets. Find the Sender Email section and click it. This field controls the From address that appears on emails your customers receive from your store. Enter your professional, branded email, ideally something at your own domain like support@yourdomain.com. After you enter or confirm that address, Shopify will indicate whether it needs to be verified. Click through any on-screen prompt to begin verification. Shopify will send a verification message to the address you provided, and completing that verification ensures your emails show your brand as the sender and helps them land reliably in the inbox. If the verification email doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment, and then check your spam or promotions folders. You can use the Resend Verification option right from the Sender Email section if needed. For best deliverability, use an address at a domain you control rather than a free mailbox. If Shopify displays guidance about authenticating your domain, follow the on-screen instructions there. Those settings strengthen trust with mail providers and can further improve inbox placement. Before you wrap up, return to the General or Store Details page if you want to double-check your store email one more time. It's helpful to keep store email and sender email aligned with your brand, even though they serve different purposes. That's it. You've reviewed your store email for contact and account use, and you've opened notifications to set and verify your sender email for customer-facing messages. With your sender email verified, your store's emails will look more professional and are